In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Strava app. So by updating your Strava app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll be able to fix any issues related to your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are two ways you can update your app, and this can be done either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and go to Play Store here, and from Play Store go ahead and search for your app using this search bar here, or if you can see the search bar, head over to search down here. Then just search for your app by name like that and tap on search here, and you can see we have our app here. So if you tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Strava app. So to update this Strava run, bike and hike app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Strava app, then install it on your smartphone. Now from here, you'll have the latest version of Strava app. Proceed and start using it when you tap on open. So that's how you can update Strava app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.